Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys a very easy way I was able to install this wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. As you guys can see, it's a burgundy color, very long, I think up to 24 inches wig. So this wig is from VIP Hair Company. As you guys can see, it's a full lace front wig, but I decided to do a middle part. I normally go for a side part, but this time I'm kind of feeling middle part, so I decided to do a middle part for this wig. And I'm absolutely loving the way it turned out. I'm loving the wig, so beautiful. It's very soft and it's very long. And for a while now, I've always wanted a burgundy color wig. I'm just kind of feeling it. So, and I had the opportunity to get it, and I'm like, okay, definitely I'm gonna get it. So I'm just gonna stop blabbing. I'm just gonna get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it's very beautiful. I absolutely love this color. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part because it was not bleached. So I'm going to apply my foundation to give it a more natural look. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Then I'll be spraying a little bit of my got to be glued face spray, and then I'm going to apply a got to be glued gel on the each side of my the wig. And then I'll tie a scarf for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take out the scarf, and I'm going to apply my hair oil. It's more like a heat protectant oil as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush the wig. So here I'm gonna go ahead and create a middle part. Here I'm just using my hair straightener to lay the middle part flat. Then I'm gonna comb the hair with my hot comb. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. I love the color, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking the video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.